The Kenderli Seawater Desalination Plant is a strategic project supporting Kazakhstan's water infrastructure. Located in the Mangystau region, the facility is designed to strengthen regional infrastructure and support sustainable development. The plant will provide a reliable freshwater supply water to Zanauzen City, New Kenderli Tourism Zone, and surrounding region. Subor delivered 7.4 kilometers of GRP pipeline systems for the plant's pipeline network. Subor prepared 1,800 individual spool drawings to ensure precision at every connection point. All components were engineered, manufactured, and delivered within a 10-month time frame. Subor also provided on-site supervision and lamination training in Kazakhstan to support smooth installation. The Kenderli Project plays a key role in building a more resilient water supply system for the region.